In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a productivity tracker with Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. Give your file a clear name so it's easy to find later. For example, call it 226 Productivity Tracker. A good name makes it searchable and sets the tone for consistent tracking. Next, set up the foundation of your tracker. In row 1, add these 7 headers from left to right: date, task, category, priority, status, deadline, and notes. Bold the entire first row so your headers stand out as you scroll. Clear, consistent column labels help you stay organized and make filtering much easier down the line. For the category column, you can start with a few helpful buckets in column C to see where your time goes. Common examples include client work, content creation, admin, sales or prospecting, and personal. These categories make it simple to spot patterns like how much time you're devoting to revenue-generating work versus operational tasks. Feel free to tailor the list to your role or goals. Now let's make the sheet smarter with drop-downs. Click the header of column D to select the entire priority column. Go to Data, then Data Validation, and add a drop-down with high, medium, and low. This adds structure, keeps entries consistent, and helps you sort by what matters most. Do the same for column E, the status column, and add not started, in progress, completed, and follow up. Standardized status labels keep your tracker tidy and make reporting accurate. To create visual momentum, add conditional formatting so completed tasks pop. Select column E, open format, then conditional formatting. Create a rule that checks if the text is completed and choose a green fill. This instant visual cue makes it clear what's done and what still needs attention. Under your main table, add a quick daily summary. For total tasks, enter county B2 B100. For completed tasks, use county F E2 E100 completed. For completion rate, enter count IF E2 100 completed. County A B2 B100 odd, and format that cell as a percentage. These simple metrics give you at a glance clarity on how your day is progressing. Finally, create a new sheet tab and name it Weekly Summary. Use this space to track weekly totals such as total tasks completed, revenue tasks done, and missed deadlines. Keeping a dedicated overview helps you review trends, celebrate wins, and spot bottlenecks before they grow. That's your complete streamlined productivity tracker in Google Sheets. Clean, consistent,